Hey, we've got our new carpet protection film that we spent literally 2 years developing. Because the problem with carpet protection film that you buy at certain big box stores, it leaves a residue. So you pull it up and you'll have this big gluey spot on your carpeting. TapeGuys developed a carpet protection film that doesn't do that. Here we've got some tests. This is our test lab, which is really just a big space with a bunch of carpet. And we've had this down for almost 2 months. And it stays in place as you walk on it, but it floats above the carpet. It doesn't transfer any adhesion. And yet it's been on here for months. It's tons of traffic, and it will release easily. This is a super durable product. We highly recommend using the TapeGuys carpet protection film.